George is at the pet store, looking at what kind of pet he might want to get for his birthday. George asked if he could have a horse, but his parents said no because horses are too big. First, he sees dogs and cats. Baby dogs are called puppies. Baby cats are called kittens. George likes them because they are easy to take care of and can play a lot, but they will get bigger. George wants a small pet. Then George sees animals that have to live in a cage. He sees rabbits, guinea pigs, and mice. Mice are what you call more than one mouse. He likes these animals because they are small. Birds live in cages too. George sees a parrot and a canary. He likes them all, but he doesn't want to clean the cage.